Oke, hello guys, balik lagi bersama gua WavePad. Sekarang gua akan mengajarkan teman-teman semua bagaimana cara membuat quotes menggunakan aplikasi Kinemaster dan Instagram, guys. Oke, simak saja videonya. Langsung saja kita mulai tutorialnya.
No, I can't hide, although I try. I don't know why, like the night sky. It's so dark, too much space between the stars on my head. And everybody knows that I'm not perfect. And everybody knows that I'm not worth it. I don't know why you hate me. I don't know why you hate me. Yeah, 'cause I'm not worth it. From a splinter, we fold now like a photo of the time that we spent. We cross paths but our minds never center. I feel bad but I tell her never better. Don't know why but I feel like time came and then went. And everybody knows that I'm not perfect. And everybody knows that I'm not worth it. I don't know why you hate me. I don't know why you hate me. I'm not worth it. No, I'm not worth it. Oh, I'm not worth it. I don't know why you hate me. I don't know why you hate me. Yeah, 'cause I'm not worth it. 'Cause everybody knows that. 'Cause everybody knows that. 'Cause everybody knows that. 'Cause I'm not worth it. I'm not worth it. Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone.